let's welcome Mr. Abhishek Gozalkar, and he's going to please come up on the stage.
Good morning, everyone. I want to thank Vinu Paul and Living Hope Church for inviting me on this felicitation program. Vinu Paul and myself, we are associated from last 8 years. And this Living Hope Church is doing a wonderful job. They are always for needy people. And they are always for social cause. I know they are doing a lot of medical camps in surrounding area, women empowerment programs, education, counseling, and many more. Just now he said about the pandemic. Yes, in the pandemic, I requested Vinu Paul, we want to distribute some food grains, vegetables, medicines in the slums area where the containment zone is declared. And he is the first man who said yes to me, and that I got an encouragement. And he personally came, just now he said about that chawl name, Snail Chawl. When he personally came there, he's sitting in the car only. So I requested, sir, you please come out, because people wants to know who is the person who is giving us this help. And he came out, he helped a lot, and he has always guided me in my political career also. When I became a corporator, that time, Vinu Paul, I remember you called me at Prabodhanka Thakre Natya Gruha, and you are having some function over there. And you invited me with your church members and all. And he is always there for the development of IC Colony. He is giving me a lot of suggestion also. Today, you are felicitating the bankers. Yes. I am also director of Mumbai District Cooperative Bank, and I know the valuable services the banks given in this pandemic. From last 8 months, we are thanking to our BMC official, police officers, fire brigade staff, and doctors, because they gave us a tremendous services in this pandemic situation. And the banker also, one of the COVID warrior, because they are working silently, we can't recognize them. But today this church is recognized. They are a real COVID warrior, because just now I mentioned about the slums, like a Snail Chawl, Ganpat Patil Nagar. So there when we visited there, so people said कि ये तो हमें 1 महीने का, 2 महीने, 1 week का या 2 weeks का राशन है. So what about after that? Because this zone is declared as a containment zone, so we can't move out. So मैंने हमारे BMC and police officer से बात की कि सर देखो, they required money, daily needs. Without money, they can't survive, and they are daily workers. तो उन्होंने permission दी, और they started going to the bank. और बैंक में जो हमारे स्टाफ थे, उन्होंने भी fearless services वहाँ पे दी. That is also acknowledgement work they did it. Because himself they are putting in a dangerous situation along with their families. जैसे वीनू सर ने कहा कि before when the lockdown started, everybody is in the home. हमें क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. Today also we are conducting a cleaning camp in IC Colony area. Morning I went there and we started already that camp is going on. And Deputy Mayor of Mumbai, he is coming to visit for that camp. So I thank Vinu Paul to invite me for this such a great function, great program. He's always encouraged the people, and the encouragement only give us a strength, and that's why I am here to serve this colony, serve the people. And in future also, Vinu sir, I required your guidance and support. Thank you for calling me. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Felicitate banks who are here in and around IC Colony. So I would like to call Mr. Lionel from State Bank of India. So can appreciate them for what they have done.
Can someone take a picture of that, please?
Next I would like to call Mr. Chirag from Bank of Maharashtra. Yeah, let's just applaud, let's just thank them for what they've done.
Yesterday, we distributed a gift, hamper. Not hamper, it's actually a gift in a box to how many staff altogether?
So altogether we reached out to 7 banks and there were around 107 staff members.
107 staff members received gift. That's the picture that is coming on the this. So different banks, Bank of Baroda, Kotak Bank, different, all these banks, employees were gifted something yesterday. And we invited the bank managers. Only thank you, both of you, from State Bank of India and Maharashtra Bank. And thank you so much for Mumbai. I just can't think that you are, you're a director of the bank, but I just sometimes feel that, you're very much with us. It's okay. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.